Stop by and take a look at the 2020 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, tachometer, power steering, one-touch windows, 2. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.